Deep pink. Let's draw the shining sun. First, carefully draw a circle. Deep pink. Cool. Now draw a mouth on the sun so it can smile. Excellent. Add some warm sun rays, big and small. Very good. Draw a little cloud next to the sun. Deep pink. Great job! What a cute sun you've drawn!